Go left a little more. Lamp left. Right there. Pan it left. Yeah, that's cool.
So here at Tastemade, combining flavors is what we do. It's what I do. It's what I'm known for. My livelihood. It's my job to come up with those unforgettable combinations that go viral. I don't want to toot my horn or anything, but I was responsible for the grilled cheese and banana IG takeover of 2017 that over 1 million people tried. So, pretty proud of that one. Anyway, for years, I've been at the forefront of the fusion revolution, and there's only one combination that's ever eluded me. One ingredient I just can't seem to mix with anything that's haunted me ever since I was a chef's assistant. I just can't wrap my head around brownies. Quick, delicious, infallible brownies with a fudgy center in every bite. Shouldn't be too hard, right? Yeah, so you think. Look, I've tried every hack, spin, and twist on the classic. Cheesecake brownies? I nearly broke my wrist spending the entire day trying to get that fluffy, fudgy consistency. Sunshine brownies with fresh pineapple and mango? It's too moist, too heavy, too messy. Oh, and organic Buckeye brownies with crushed walnut? It's not as relaxing as you might think! Then, last night I was in the checkout line at the grocery store and I see it. Fudge brownie M&Ms. It's just staring me in the face, taunting me. They've done it. And they're perfect. My life's work made a whole lot easier. You can't replicate perfection, but I ain't that mad about it. This flavor combination is legendary. Mmm.